Okay, so this is a quick little behind the scenes developer update about Glycon and Daz. So Daz does some really wild stuff with how the bones work. And when you export a skeleton from Daz, all of the um, bones are set to 0, which does me absolutely no good. And then when I export this stuff back out, the FBXs are not going to work properly because they do not deform the same way that the bones deform in Daz natively. So what I'm working on right now is a DUF exporter for Glycon that will do this properly. It will give Daz the professional treatment here and rotate the bones as needed and in a in DUF format, uh, which will be fantastic because you can then keep all of your animation in Daz. You don't have to go rely on a third-party product. Basically, I've reverse engineered the rotations for some of these bones. If I want to rotate this 90 degrees to verify that I have it set to 90, that I have this correct, you'll notice down here at the bottom, the Y value is the current value. It's a scientific notation, basically 0 at this point. So if I want to, this Y value needs to go to 90. So we're going to go in here and grab this exported version that has the deformed bone at 90 degrees. I'll go up here to mine, and I'm going to paste that in. And you'll see down here at the bottom that we are now at 90 degrees. So that's correct. So the task this weekend is going to be to go through, now that I have the algorithm for calculating this properly, it's going to be go through and set all the different bones to correctly deform. And then we can export a proper DUF file that will go straight into Daz and allow everyone to see everything and keep everything in Daz without having to go into a third-party product and use FBX files and then a bunch of exporting and importing and stuff like that. You'll basically be able to drop a DUF file straight onto this, and boom, your animation's just going to be perfect. That's the goal. Anyway, for more information, you can get a copy of Glycon from Glycon3D.com, and I look forward to seeing what you guys do with it. If you're interested in the Daz DUF file exporter, please mention it in the comments and shoot me an email, and I'll add you to a private list where we're going to do some DUF file experiments probably over the weekend. So thank you very much. Have a great day.